UK USA citizen must remembers, you've got two main options, and I'm going to break them both down for you. Let's call them the pro way and the easy way. First up, the pro way. This is how all those mind-blowing viral AI videos are made. The secret is that they aren't single, long clips. Top-tier AI models like Gemini's, Veo, Luma's Dream Machine, or Runway Gen -3 are designed to create short, ultra-high-quality bursts of video, usually around 5 to 10 seconds. Why? Because this maintains incredible realism and detail. So, to make a 30-second video, you'd generate about 4 or 5 of these short clips. You can give each one a slightly different prompt to progress a story. Or you can use a feature many of these tools have called Extend Video. This lets you take the last frame of your first clip and tell the AI to generate the next 5 seconds from that point, creating a seamless continuation. Once you have all your short clips, you just need a simple video editor. A free tool like CapCut or Canva is perfect. You just drop the clips onto the timeline, put them back to back, add some music, and boom, you have a professional-looking 30-second AI video. This method gives you the best quality and the most creative control. Now, what if you're thinking, that sounds like a lot of work. I just want a video, fast. That's where the easy way comes in, using all-in-one generators. These tools are designed for speed and convenience. Take InVideo.ai, for example. It's fantastic for social media or YouTube content. You literally just type a prompt like, make a 30-second video about the benefits of coffee. And it does everything. It writes a script, generates a voiceover, finds relevant stock footage or creates AI scenes, and even adds captions and music. It's a complete production studio in one click. You can get a full video, sometimes minutes long, ready to go. Another great option for this is HeyGen. While it's famous for its talking avatars, which are perfect for business presentations it can also create longer video sequences, easily hitting that 30-second mark and beyond. Then you have the big players that are changing the game. If you're lucky enough to have access to OpenAI's Sora, you know it can generate a continuous high-quality video for up to a minute from a single detailed prompt. No stitching required. Similarly, Kling AI is getting a lot of attention for its realism and its ability to create longer continuous clips right out of the box, which you can then extend to 30 seconds or more. So, which one should you choose? If you're a creative who wants cinematic quality and total control, go the pro way. Generate short clips with tools like Gemini or Luma and stitch them together. If you need a video done quickly for social media or a presentation, the easy way with an all-in-one generator like InVideo.ai or HeyGen is your best bet. Both paths lead to amazing results. It just depends on what you need. Experiment with both and see which workflow you like best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips.